15780 Sisters on the Fly, a 1968 Scotty. You're gonna love this. Hey guys, I'm Mark with the Art of Rving. Hey, what's happening? If you ever a sub, thank you. If you're not, become a sub. Hit that red sub button. I don't know, somewhere around here. I have no idea. And so anyway, hit us up on Instagram, the Art of Rving today. A 1968 Scotty, Sisters on the Fly. I know you always enjoy these. I do too. These ladies know more hacks than I've ever thought of before. So anyway, and we're also going to meet her little puppy dog. So let's do it. Okay guys, another Sister on the Fly. We have Noni D here. Look at this awesome trailer behind me. And what's your puppy's name?
Bella.
Oh, I love Bella so much. This is going to be, what's your number?
15780.
Oh, this is going to be great. Hang tight. Okay, Noni D, check it out. I love this. Sisters on the Fly has been good for you, huh?
Absolutely. This is my first year, completed year.
I love that. Oh, I love that.
And this is Bella.
Let's check out your trailer. Here we go.
This is a 1968 Scotty trailer, and she actually came from Dothan, Alabama.
A Scotty trailer. How cool.
It's my little awning area.
I like that.
And we have little flags so nobody trips over.
Did you make these flags?
I did make those
I
flags.
love those. Look how cool that is.
And that is Sister on the Fly fabric.
Yeah, Sisters on the Fly are always doing crafts. I love that about them because you know I'm a crafty guy.
That's right.
I am, and I love the awning. Lots of room in it. And you've got your little black and white check.
Yep.
And y'all know that, well, some of y'all know I'm a photographer, and did you know that black and white check is smartness?
Smartness.
Yeah, and that's why they put it in the rich people's houses when you walk in. All right, so tell us, you got this right here.
So this is like my little outside working station. And I also do my dishes out here. Yes. I like to be outside as much as possible.
You got your little fireplace here?
And my little fireplace.
Then you got your little
recycling and trash.
Then she's got her little home is where you park it, and then over here looks like you got
drinks
your
and a little Farkle game.
Sparkle.
Sparkle.
Now that's fun to say.
Yep.
Sparkle.
Say it 3 times fast.
Farkle, farkle, farkle. You say it, go.
Farkle, farkle, farkle.
You say it. Okay, so then you got your
Scotty and my number.
Oh, I love it.
And you have to see this. This is my pride and joy. My brother actually picked this trailer up for me and had Jamoni made for me.
Yes.
So my husband's name is Jim and mine is Noni. So I wanted to name our trailer Jamoni.
Is that the best thing ever? And of course, on these trailers, this is the best part. The way it's extended headroom.
Yes.
With that light in the front.
Yes.
It's so, I mean, this is so ingenuitive at the time. I mean, that's why I love these Scotty trailers. So good. Did you paint it when you had it? How good a shape was it in?
No, Mark, this is a great story. So I got it from a lady in Dothan, Alabama. That her father had taken the whole shell off. Right. And totally redid the whole thing. And wait till you see inside.
That's going to be awesome. Let's do that.
Mark, come on inside. But first, before I want you to notice my little cubby hole down underneath here. They redid it to where they're round like boats, and so I can store things underneath there and easily grab them and they won't fall out.
It's so cool. And that bed is like super thick?
Yes, and it's actually where it makes into a dinette as well, but I like it as a bed.
Nice. And tell us about
over here I have my electrical hookup with my little, I redid a little chicken feeder, and that's where I keep my Apple Watch and my iPhone at night.
And there we go,
my ukulele.
Course. Ladies on the Fly and their ukuleles, of course.
Yes.
All right, so let's keep going.
I'll jump over here.
I want y'all to see this wood cabinets in here. Look at this wood. Amazing. Those cabinets. Oh, the quality of this is amazing. Oh, I love, look at the jalapeno. I mean the avocados. How fun. Oh, and there's another rounded port right there.
And up here as well.
Yep, back there.
And then here's my little television, but I don't watch a lot of television, but just in case.
Yeah, that's fine. And then she's got her bed back here with the extra thick mattress, of course.
That's right. And then, but this is also Bella's bed.
Oh, I gotcha. And so, did you make the curtains in here, or have them made?
Everything was made. Everything was in here pretty much, except I did add some of my touches. This is the original stove, and then there's a sink.
Look at that original stove.
However, opt to do everything outside. Because you can tell I just stack stuff up here.
Sure. I mean, man, we're camping, right?
Yep.
Look at all the wooden cabinets in here. Amazing. And I love, of course, the old-fashioned towel. That's what I do, of course. Under a little walking stick she's got here. Oh, that's pretty cool. And you know, I'm always taken by this curved wood. It's so nice.
Yes.
Oh, and I don't know if y'all know since I've had vans, but man, when you have skylight, it lets a lot of light in there and heat. And that is worth its weight in gold right there. Look at that. Is that the original fixture that was in here?
That's the original fixture, and these are the original back here. The air conditioner is down underneath this bed, and it really does cool off the whole camper. I've been camping in August and in September in Texas.
It's just, y'all may remember another Scotty I did where it pulled out, but that is the best place to put an air conditioner there is in a trailer. The smartest place.
Yeah.
Out of the way. I mean, it's so perfect. Oh, and there's nothing like an air conditioning unit with that feel of that air coming through it, man. I love that. Oh, you've done such a good job in here.
I love it.
How long have you had the trailer?
February, it was a year.
Oh, good.
So,
oh,
it was a
that's
year.
fun. And how long have you been Sisters on the Fly?
Since January, so just a little over a year.
No,
This was a lifelong goal. I always wanted to go camping and be a part of a great group of women, and God answered that prayer.
Dude, he does, and I like it when he answers quick.
Yeah, really.
I don't like this. I don't like the way he, of course, because we're human. Okay,
And
so
what's so cool about it as well is you don't have to know anybody. I didn't know anybody when I came here yesterday, and now I know a bunch of new sisters.
right. Yeah, it's like y'all have that one bond in common.
Exactly.
It's just in your interests. I just love that. I love that. And before they know, you'll be herding cats, which means you'll be, you know, what that means?
No.
Oh, you get a patch, and if you host an event,
yes.
yeah, apparently Pat Dottie told me that. We'll see you later, baby.
Say thank you, Mark.
No need
Come
to-
back to see us.
Thank you so much. We really appreciate you. Love you, Taylor.
Thank you.
See you down the road.
You betcha.
All right, bye.
Bye.